In this video, we are going to find the Pearson correlation coefficient for the given problem. So the given problem is find the Pearson coefficient of correlation between industrial production and export using the following table, and this is a given set of values. Production X which is a data set which contains a list of data, and export Y which is another data set which contains the list of data. So we have to find the mean value of X and mean value of Y, and we have to apply it in the equation of finding the correlation coefficient. Here R is the correlation coefficient, and the formula for calculating the correlation coefficient is summation of Xi minus X bar into Yi minus Y bar divided by square root of summation of Xi minus X bar whole square into summation of Yi minus Y bar whole square. Here Xi is nothing but the ith value of the dataset X, and X bar is the mean value of the dataset X, and Yi is the ith value of the dataset Y, and Y bar is the mean value of the dataset Y. Hence we have to find the X bar and Y bar first, and the mean value can be found by the equation X bar is equal to sum of all values of X divided by total number of values present in the dataset X. So this is a summation of all the values present in the dataset X, and there are 5 values, so hence I am dividing the summation by 5, and hence the mean value of the dataset X is 20. Likewise, we have to calculate the mean value of the dataset Y, which is 16. Now we have the values of X bar and Y bar, and we have to calculate the other values by using this table. So here these are the X values. This column consists of the data is present in X, and this column consists of the data present in the dataset Y. So we have to calculate Xi minus X bar, Yi minus Y bar, Xi minus X bar whole square, Yi minus Y bar whole square, Xi minus X bar into Yi minus Y bar. So substituting the values, mean values here, so we have to calculate these two columns by calculating from the respective data values. So I have calculated the values for Xi minus X bar and Yi minus Y bar by substituting the values here. So 14 minus 20 is minus 6, and 10 minus 16 is minus 6. Likewise, we have calculated the other values. So using these two columns, we can calculate these 3 columns. So the values can be calculated from these 2 columns. So 6 square, 6 here also 6 square, and 6 into 6, which is also 36. Likewise, all the other values can be calculated from the given 2 columns. And from these 3 columns, we have to calculate the summation value. So summation of Xi minus X bar whole square is 80, and summation of this column is 118, and summation of this column is 84. Now we have all the values required to apply in the given equation. So we have to apply the values in the given equation to find the correlation coefficient. So the summation of this value we have calculated is 84. So 84 divided by square root of these 2 values we have calculated as 80 into 118. So square root of 80 into 118. So 84 divided by 97.16, which is equal to 0.8646, which is the correlation coefficient. So hence Pearson coefficient of correlation exists between the industrial production and export. R is given by 0.8646. So this is a way of finding the correlation values between 2 columns, 2 variables present in your data set using Pearson coefficient of correlation. Thank you.